Okay, we will start with the lecture that is a universal gate using basic gate. Before we start the universal gate using basic gate, let's revise some point with the basic gate. The basic gate, there are three basic gates are there: AND gate, OR gate, and a NOT gate, as we discussed in the last lecture. The main thing is nothing but AND gate. AND gate is considered AND gate is considered what? A dot B. AND gate is considered as A dot B. So that here is a logical multiplication is performed. Okay. Then OR gate is considered as A plus B. Here we perform the logical addition. The logical addition means what? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Okay. And the next basic gate is nothing but the NOT gate. The NOT gate we called as a inverter. Inverter means what? If some input is given, if suppose A input is given, then we get the output A bar. That is nothing but if we are given the input is 0, then we take the output is 1. If we give the input is 1, then we take the output is 0. That we discussed in the last lecture. Okay. And after that, using basic gate, we implement the universal gate. That universal gate is nothing but the AND gate and a NOR gate. Here is the AND gate. AND gate is designed with the NAND gate is designed with the AND gate and the NOT gate. So that the symbol is considered as a bubble. The bubble is nothing but the inverter. Here we whatever the input is given, that is A and B, then first it perform the AND operation, then after it perform the NOT operation. So the whole circuit or whole device is considered as a NAND gate. Similarly, the second universal gate is considered as a NOR gate. The NOR gate is considered with implement with the NOR OR gate and a NOT gate. Then first it operates as a OR operation, then after it considered as a NOT operation. So that the equation is nothing but the Q equal to equation is nothing but the Q equal to A plus B bar. Okay, A plus B bar. So that is nothing but Q equal to A plus B. These two are the universal gate. Then the today's objective of this lecture is nothing but using this universal gate, using this NAND gate and a NOR gate, using this NAND gate and a NOR gate, we implement the rest of all gates. That is nothing but AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, then XOR gate, XNOR gate. Then we will see one by one. The first is nothing but universal gate using basic gate. First point is nothing but we have implement the NOT gate. We are implement the NOT gate, but used only NAND gate. That is nothing but we use only NAND gate and we design the NOT gate. How we design the NOT gate? The first of all, what is a NOT gate truth table is nothing but the inverter. Okay, then we have to design such like that AND gate, it operates as a NOT gate. So the design is very simple. Here B input is there. This B input we have to sort with the A. So that the symbol is like this. Okay, the symbol is like this. The B input is sorted with the A. Now we check how it operates as a NOT operation. Okay, here the A input is there, B input is there, then we have to check what the Q output. Okay, but both are short so that whatever the input is given, that input is one. Only one input is present here, and one output is we taken. So that if suppose first input we give the zero input is there, then zero input, this zero, I will take the pen. Okay, I am going to give the input is zero here, and this zero goes to input A 0, input B also 0. Okay, then 0 NAND 0. What is the output? The output is 1. Here, the NAND out truth table is here. This is a NAND truth table. So we have to check out this NAND truth table with the our output truth table is nothing but the not. Now, first of all, we have to make the sort these two signals or these two input. Then first input we have applied here, that is 0. This 0 comes to the A also 0. Then B also input is 0. Then 0, 0, what will be the output? Output will be the 1. So output is 1. Okay. So that the first not input is if we give the 0, if we give the 0 input, we take the output 1. That is nothing but the inverted output. So that we satisfy the first NOT operation. Then the next is nothing but the second input. We are going to make the second input. Where is the second? What is the second input? Second input is considered as a 1. This 1 we are given to the A and B. Due to this 0, oh sorry, due to this short circuit, the A is applied to the 1 is applied to the A and this one is applied to the B. So whatever the input is applied to the NAND gate, that is 1 1. So 1 1 NAND output is 0. So that Q output is also considered as a 0. Here we will check this output with the NOT gate. When we are given the input is 1, when we given the input is 1 to the NAND gate and we take the output is 0. So our second priority or second input is also satisfied. That is second condition is also satisfied. So due to this operation, we are conclude the NAND gate, if suppose the NAND gate both input are sorted, if we both input are get short circuit, then it acts as a NOT gate. Are you understood? Are you understood the first conversion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we move forward to the next. What is the next? We are implementing a NAND gate, but using the sorry, we are implementing the AND gate, but using the NAND gate. Here is a NAND gate. We know the NAND truth table. Then we are designing the circuit such like that we take the output AND gate. As we know that the NAND NAND gate is designed with the AND with the inverter. Okay, AND with inverter. And now we design with the NAND with the AND so that we have to make the remove of this inverter. So we know that the inverter is nothing but we are sorted with the two input, that is nothing but the inverted output that using the NAND. Now same concept we are applied here. the one NAND gate is taken, and after that, here the bubble is there. Then this bubble we have to remove. For that, we have to add one NOT gate. This is nothing but the NOT gate. Correct now? This is nothing but the NOT gate. Why it is NOT gate? Because here A input and here the second input B, both are short circuit. So this symbol or this NAND gate act as a NOT gate. NOT gate. This act as a NOT gate. And this is a AND gate. This NAND gate with bubble NOT, that is nothing but this bar is removed. And once its bar is removed, then it acts as a AND gate. Are you understood? Understood now? Then we have to
Yes, sir.
we have to verify this how it acts as a AND gate. Okay, this is our circuit. This is our circuit using a only NAND gate. Here both are a NAND gate. Here no other gate we are using. Our title is AND gate we are implementing, but using the NAND gate. So only use for the NAND gate. Not any other gate is taken. So first we have to give the input. If suppose first input is given, whatever the given is 0 is here, then B is also 0 is here. Then first input is 0, second input is 0. Then we have to check whether the output is A dot B, 0 is come or not. Okay. Here 0 A equal to 0, B equal to 0, the NAND output. What is the NAND output? A equal to 0, B equal to 0, NAND output is 1. So here it takes the output is 1. This 1 goes to here also and here also. So that this NAND gate input is 1 1. So this NAND gate input is 1 1. What is the 1 1 NAND gate output is 0. So here we take the output is 0. Okay. So that whenever the input is applied 0 0, the output is 0. So that the first case, that is 0 0, output is taken 0. So first case we satisfied. Now we check the second stage. What is the second stage or second condition? The second condition is nothing but the input is A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then we have to check the output. Input A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then we have to check the output. Here A equal to 0, B equal to 1. The NAND gate output is A equal to 0, B equal to 1. The NAND gate output is 1. So that here is 1. And this output is the input of next NAND gate. So that here A equal to 1, here B equal to 1. So 1 1. What is the 1 1 output? 1 1 output is 0. 1 1 output is 0. Now we have to check 0 1. The final output is 0. 0 1. The final output is 0. So that we satisfy the second condition. Okay, now we will move forward to the next condition. What is the next condition? What is the next condition? The next condition is A equal to 1, then B equal to 0. A equal to 1, then B equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 0. NAND output here, what is the NAND output? 1 is here, 0 is here. What is the NAND output? NAND output is 1. NAND output is 1. This one is applied here and here. So 1 1, what is the NAND output? 1 1 NAND output is 0. 1 1 NAND output is 0. Now we define 1 0 1 0, final output is 0. So we satisfy the third condition also. Okay. Now we move forward to the last condition. What is the last condition? What is the last condition? Last condition is both input are 1 1. If both input are 1 1, then what we have to check the what is the output? The first NAND gate 1 1
1.
1 1 NAND gate output. Here NAND gate output is 0 na? 1 1 NAND gate output. 1 input, 1 input. NAND gate output is 0. Here is NAND gate output is 0. Okay. And this 0 is applied to the next NAND gate. That is 0. Here is A equal to 0 and here is B equal to 0. Then 0 0. What is the NAND output? 0 0. What is the NAND output? NAND output is
1.
1. Very good. So that here we take the output is 1. So we check the final output. 1 1 is input is given, then we take the output final 1. 1 1 is input is given, then we take the final output is 1. So we satisfy the last condition also. So that whatever this circuit is designed, this circuit is act as a AND gate. This circuit is act as a AND gate. How it act as a AND gate? The AND gate equation is A dot B. Okay, A dot B means what? A multiply logical multiply with the A dot logical multiply with the B. Okay, so that 0 dot 0 0, 0 dot 1 0, 1 dot 0 0, and 1 dot 1 1. So we can say that this whole circuit is act as a NAND gate. Understood? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we move forward to the next. What is the next? Next is nothing but the OR gate.
Orbit.
Very good. But we are using only NAND gate. We are dealing with the only NAND gate. So this is the symbol of NAND gate. This is the truth table of NAND gate. But right now we are implement a OR gate. Okay. So this is the circuit. This is a circuit which we design using only NAND gate. That is NAND gate act as a OR gate. Let's see how it works. Okay. Then first we have to take first input. What is the first input? Here first input is 0 0. So we apply this 0 here. Then we are applying second 0 is here. Then we have to check whatever the output is there. Okay. Here this is the individual NAND gate. This is the individual NAND gate, and this is the third NAND gate. Now we applied the both input are 0 0. We applied the first case both input are 0 0. Here is 0, here is 0. Then NAND output is 0 0. NAND output is
1.
1. Very good. So that 0 is here. This 0 come here because both are short now. So 0 0 NAND output is 1.
1.
Here the B second input is 0. This 0 is comes here and this 0 comes here because both are short. And 0, 0. NAND output is
1.
1. Okay. And this one comes here. This one come here. This is another NAND output. Another NAND gate. The NAND gate 1, 1. What is output? 1, 1. What is output? Output
1.
is 0. 1, 1. NAND gate output is 1, 1 in input is here. No? 1 is here. 1 is here. NAND output is 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See, हे 0 आपण इथं अप्लाय केलाय एला. सेकंड इनपुट बी हा 0 इथं अप्लाय केलाय. हा एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल नॅन्ड गेट आहे समजा. हा सेकंड इंडिव्हिज्युअल नॅन्ड गेट आहे म्हणून समजा. आता इथं हे दोन इनपुट शॉर्ट झालेत म्हणून इथं पण 0 आलं आणि इथं पण 0 आलं. These two are 0, 0, 0. What is the NAND output is 1. So here we take the 1. Okay. Now the second input B. B is also 0. This is also short circuited. So this is also 0. This is also 0. If we are considered the separator NAND gate, the 0, 0. What is output? 1. So here is 1. And these both input are connected to the next NAND gate. So that this one comes here, this one comes here. So that here is 1, A input is 1, here is B input is 1. So that 1, 1, the output is 0. So we take the output is 0. So that the finally we are considered 0, 0 input is there, the output is 0. So that we satisfy the first condition. Okay. Now similarly, we will change the input. We will change the input for the second stage. What is the second stage or second condition? What is the second condition?
A equal to 0, B equal to 1.
Very good. A equal to 0, B equal to 1. This A equal to 0 is here. We can write here 0, B equal to 1, that B equal to 1. Now we will check the final output, whether it is 1 or 0. Okay. Here 0, A input is 0. That 0 comes here. And here due to a short circuit, here is also 0. So it considered as an individual NAND gate 0, 0. What is output?
1.
NAND output. Very good. 1. 0, 0. NAND output is 1. Likewise, here B equal to 1. This 1 comes here and this
1.
1 comes here. The both input are 1, 1. Then 1, 1. NAND, this is an individual NAND gate. So 1, 1. What is output?
0.
Very good. It is 0. Now this 1 comes here. This 0 is come here. Then we are considered this is another individual NAND gate. Then NAND gate input is 1, 0. Then what
1.
is output? Very
1.
good. That is output is 1. Here is 1, 0. The output is 1. So that we conclude that the final output is 1. So that 0, 1, the output is 1. 0, 1, the output is 1. So we satisfied second condition. Now move forward to the next condition. What is the next condition?
A equal to 1, B equal to 0.
Very good. The A equal to 1, then B equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Now A equal to 1, here is 1 come here, here one, here also 1 come here. Then 1, 1, what is the NAND output? 1,
0.
1, NAND output is 0. Very good. Here 0 is here, this 0 comes here, and this 0 comes here. Then 0, 0, NAND output is
1.
1. This 0 come here, 0. This 1 comes here. Then 0, 1. What is the NAND output?
1.
1. Very good. Then 1, 0. The final output is 1. The 1 here, 1, 0. The final output is 1. So we satisfy the third case also. We satisfy third case. Now we will move forward to the last condition. What is the last condition?
A
The
equal to
last
1.
condition, yes, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Now we will check the what is the final output. A equal to 1, that 1 is here. Due to the short is here, so it is 1. 1, 1. What is the output of NAND gate?
0.
1. Sorry, it is a 0. Similarly, here 1 is there. This one comes here. This one comes here. 1, 1. What is the NAND output?
0.
0. Very good. This 0 come here. This 0 come here. Then what is the NAND output? 0, 0.
0.
And NAND output 0, 0,
1. 1.
1. So final output is 1. So we can say whenever input is 1, 1, the output is 1 for this circuit. So last, we satisfy the last condition also. So that this is nothing but A plus B. That is 1, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, then A plus B equal to 0. So that this whole circuit is act as a what? This whole circuit is act as a
NAND gate.
uh, what is this? Act as a OR gate, na?